Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Soul GT Line 2.0L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 147 horsepower, 2.0L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and cruise control. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.